how I cracked the interview in first attempt at the age of 18. Hello everyone, I am Anjali Sharma, cabin crew in Air India Express from past 2 years. Today we will discuss that how did I clear interview in first attempt in age of 18. So today I will tell you my story and what I did. I will give you some tips also obviously, and I will also tell you that what to avoid to crack the interview. So I was very clear that I want to become a cabin crew from 6th standard, and मुझे उस वक्त मेकअप का ग्रूमिंग का भी नहीं आता था, बट स्टिल मैं बस आई यूज़ टू मैनिफेस्ट, आई यूज़ टू वर्क. अभी वर्क 6 से, अब आप लोग सोचेंगे कि हाउ आई यूज़ टू वर्क फ्रॉम 6th फॉर बिकमिंग अ कैबिन. नो. So the main point is I used to work on my communication. See, from my school time I was very like confident enough because I used to speak a lot, used to read a lot of books. Somewhere मेरा interest भी बहुत था English में, so I used to read a lot of books. I used to find the hard words, I used to find their meanings, I used to underline the words, I used to speak in front of the mirror. I did what I could, right? Then I passed 12th in 2023. Now in 23 I was only 17. Yes, I was 17 that time. And also one thing I want to mention, I did not join any institute, any aviation institute or any communication classes. No, I did not join any of them. What I used to do is I used to read the books, I used to underline the words, I used to find the meaning. I just, for the whole day I used to just look at the book. So मेरे मन में there was a some थॉट कि यू हैव टू लर्न. ठीक है. अभी नवंबर केम, बिकॉज इन नवंबर माई बर्थडे कम्स, राइट? सो नवंबर में आई टर्न्ड 18. So on 2nd December 2023 I gave my first ever interview for a cabin crew in Indigo. Now, after just 1 month of my birthday, I went and I was so underweight at that time. At the first attempt, I got selected for the PhD interview, PhD training. My PhD training started. Abhi. So after that, my PhD training was going on. Someone suggested me that on 23rd January 2024, there is an interview of Air India Express. You should go. And I was clueless. I was not expecting anything that yes, I want to go in Air India or maybe मैं select हो जाऊँगी या मैं reject हो जाऊँगी. No, I just went casually. जैसा हल्का फुल्का मेकअप मुझे मेरी सिस्टर को आता था, she did, and we went. For the first time, me and my sister went so far, like it was in Haryana side, because we never saw these places. We went early morning. Now there were 3,000 girls out there. Imagine how nervous I was. I can't tell you in words. 3,000 girls. क्या एक्सपीरियंस था, क्या ग्रूमिंग थी. इतना अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट फील हुआ दैट भाई यू कैन नॉट सी देम एंड यू आर तो नथिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम. बट आई वॉन्ट टू टेल यू वन थिंग, because I felt that also. I also felt that never ever, if you're going in any interview, not in cabin crew, any interview, don't compare yourself, don't underestimate yourself, don't ever see anyone and then just start feeling that oh my god, I cannot because she is still looking very good, she has the better grooming. No. If HR is sitting in front of you, if they are there na, so they must have some experience, because you never know कि उन्हें आप में क्या पसंद आ जाए, right? So we'll come on the topic. In Air India Express there were 5 rounds. Now I was so nervous. I was alone because on that day my sister was also giving her exam. She dropped me there, then she went back to South Delhi to give her exams. Obviously, I was alone, but somehow I managed. For me, it was so weird because I never went out my home, so I somehow managed. Now, my 3 round happened. On the fourth round, they just suddenly called the number which we were given. They just suddenly called us and then didn't inform that there is a fourth round, which is HR round, which is personal round. And when I went in, I was, oh my god, they started taking the personal round, and I was like, oh my god, I am so gone. But somehow I finger crossed because I truly believe in God. So I just finger crossed and I just had confidence in myself that Anjali, it's okay if कुछ होता है ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सिलेक्शन या रिजेक्शन, it's okay. For the next time I just went. Now sorry, there were two HR, right? So they started me asking questions, and I was honestly so real in front of them. They started me asking questions. मेरा राउंड हुआ, ठीक है. उसके बाद my HR said, one HR said, Anjali, according to your age, you are so confident. I am liking this, but you need to work on your communication. Now I was so confused कि अगर इन्हें मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस पसंद आया है तो ये मुझे सिलेक्ट करेंगे या मेरी कम्युनिकेशन के बेसिस पे ये मुझे रिजेक्ट करेंगे. अभी आई वॉज सो कन्फ्यूज. मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा था कि यार ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट था कि ये मेरे लिए मतलब एक फीडबैक था. तो नंबर, दे अनाउंस द नंबर, दैट दिस नंबर कम हेयर. उन्होंने अलग किया. अभी मेरा भी नाम आया. अभी आई थॉट कि भाई यू आर तो गॉन, गए आप. बट जब अराउंड 23 गर्ल्स, इमेजिन, फ्रॉम 3000 गर्ल्स देयर वर 23 गर्ल्स who were selected. They said you all are selected, and I was like, oh my god, I got selected. ठीक है. Now खुशी अभी ख़त्म नहीं हुई थी. फिर उन्होंने कहा there is a fifth round which is Versant round. Versant is an app. They said you have to crack that also, otherwise you would not get selected. ठीक है. अभी टेंशन फिर से आया. टेंशन आया. हमने ऐप का इंटरव्यू दिया. बहुत देर हो गई. दे सेड कि ओके गाइज यू मे गो, अभी वी आर नॉट अनाउंसिंग एनी रिजल्ट, यू विल गेट द मेल. अब पूरा दिन इतना ज़्यादा एग्जॉस्टिंग, इतना ज़्यादा टेंशन हो रहा था, क्या होगा, सिलेक्ट होंगी नहीं होंगी. एंड दे सेड कि यू विल गेट द मेल. अभी देर वॉज नो श्योरिटी that I will get selected or not, because obviously they said कि you will get the mail. So around 12 रात के we came back home. And then next day, or maybe after that day, I got the mail that you got selected. But stop. Another tension came that there is a medical test you have to clear. Now for me, मेरे लिए हमेशा से मेडिकल प्रॉब्लम्स रही है. लाइक मैं अंडरवेट रही हूँ, प्लस हीमोग्लोबिन का प्रॉब्लम. So I was so tensed कि no, now this is another problem. Again there is no surety. इंटरव्यू तो क्लियर हो गया, but there is no surety कि होगा या नहीं होगा. ठीक है, आप देख लो कि इतने इंटरव्यू क्लियर हो गया, सब हो गया, उसके बाद भी खुश नहीं हो सकती मैं, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि कुछ भी हो सकता है. आई मेड माई सेल्फ काम डाउन. देन देयर वॉज एग्ज़ाम ऑफ मी, SOL का, बिकॉज मेरा फर्स्ट ईयर चल रहा था तब. So I had to leave the exam because मेरा exam and medical day were on the same day. Medical I can't leave. I left the exam. अभी मेरा medical हुआ, पूरा दिन गया medical में भी. I went with my sister again. She was there with me. I gave all the tested and all. Then कुछ दिन बाद report आता है and I got the call that Anjali, you are not meeting the exact criteria, like hemoglobin should be this, and but you don't have enough hemoglobin in your body, which is the main problem. Abhi then they said कि we are giving you 1 week का time, और उसके बाद you have to give your test again. देन आई वॉज अगेन सो टेंस्ड कि अभी एक हफ्ते में मैं कैसे करूँगी. बट ठीक है, फिर मैंने वेट मतलब मैंने किया हीमोग्लोबिन के लिए व्हाट ऑल्स आई कुड, किया. देन आई अगेन गेव द टेस्ट. देन उसके बाद again I'm saying I truly believe in God miracles. I was coming back from mandir. Then I got the mail randomly that you have cleared your medical and your induction day is from 13th Feb 2024. I was super delighted. I was like, finally I cracked the interview. Now from 13th Feb my training started. धीरे it took 6 to 7 months. Like in September I got transferred to Bangalore जाके I started flying was also not easy for me because मैंने कभी जॉब में भी एक्सपीरियंस नहीं लिया था, प्लस फ्लाइंग इज़ सो टफ फॉर द बिगनर्स. So and I used to live alone without my family, so obviously there was so many challenges that I faced in Bangalore. Now though I came back to Delhi, I got transferred in Delhi because Delhi is my hometown. So this is how I cracked interview. मैं अगर 18 की एज में कर सकती हूँ तो why not you? Just make yourself confident, enough confident that yes I can do. और रिजेक्शन अगर हो जाता है दैट्स ओके, आई विल लर्न फ्रॉम दैट रिजेक्शन, आई विल गो अगेन. you should be have hunger to try to learn. You can definitely do. So these are main tips. Please be confident, clear your mindset, have hunger to learn, which is main. Before going in an interview, just prepare yourself, know about yourself, about company which in you are going in, right? And know about your role जिसके लिए आप अप्लाई कर रहे हो. And also basic questions like what is your hobby and ऐसे basic question you can just prepare. ठीक है, these are the tips I think आप लोगों को करनी चाहिए. कम्युनिकेशन अगर आपकी अच्छी होगी, कम्युनिकेशन डजेंट मीन ओनली इंग्लिश. कम्युनिकेशन मीन्स स्पीकिंग इन हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश बोथ नाइसली. गलतियाँ करना इज़ ओके, बट अगर आप चुप हो इंटरव्यू में, इफ़ यू आर नॉट आंसरिंग, डोंट एक्सपेक्ट दे विल सेलेक्ट यू. आप बोलो, आप गलतियाँ करो, नहीं करेंगे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. अगर रिजेक्ट ही करेंगे ना, रिजेक्ट करके आप सीखो फिर जाओ. बट अगर आप चुप रहोगे तो रिजल्ट क्या होगा? एक ही होगा, रिजेक्शन. बट अगर आप बोलोगे, गलतियाँ करोगे, तो मीन्स सिलेक्शन भी हो सकता है. देयर आर 2 chances, right? So please, this is how I became cabin crew and I'm still learning. There was a time when I was also an aspirant of cabin crew and I had a lot of questions. From that time I used to think जब मैं cabin crew बनूंगी ना, I will also make a YouTube channel because I know कि aspirants जो होते हैं उनके माइंड में कितने questions होते हैं, so that I can help them. ठीक है. सो इफ़ यू वॉन्ट टू नो मोर अबाउट एनी थिंग अबाउट एनी और यू वॉन्ट टू नो मोर वाई आई लेफ्ट इंडिगो, यू कैन जस्ट अगेन चेक द शॉर्ट वीडियो और आई विल मेक द फुल वीडियो इफ़ यू वॉन्ट टू नो एनी थिंग. मैं आशा करती हूँ आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो, आपके लिए इन्फॉर्मेटिव रहा हो. यदि आपको कोई और क्वेश्चंस हो, कोई और क्वेरीज हो, यू कैन जस्ट कमेंट डाउन. आई विल make more videos like this which helps you. Thank you for the video. Thank you for your support. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.